many nutrients are important, but one key nutrient that really made a difference in my life was this buffered ascorbate, a buffered form of vitamin C. The interesting thing, if you find you're suffering from this kind of congestion, what I would do, take this buffered ascorbate, maybe a teaspoon at a time, and within just a few minutes I would feel relief. It was always striking to me how quick the antihistamine effect of this buffered ascorbate was. So in my personal case, I first used it for this congestion and with remarkable results. And then as I went on and as I learned more, I realized that I had to go beyond just symptom relief, and I had to provide this nutrient as my body healed. And actually, what happened in my case, like when I was just graduated from graduate school and I was teaching at Boston University, I would have headaches every single day. I would have sinus congestion that I'd wake up with. I'd say, oh, I can't go play tennis today, I can't do this because I was so congested. And literally every day I would have to take antihistamines. To such an extent, I remember the old-fashioned Dristan. I would take that and I would get a stomach ache every day driving into work from that medication. Then I began to understand that I was having a lot of allergies, that I could control my exposure to what I ate, and specifically that I could take certain nutrients which were very antihistamine, which really quickly eliminated and reduced that allergic response. And of course, the major nutrient was this buffered vitamin C, that when I was having all these reactions, I would take 10 or 15 grams a day. And the interesting thing is, when you start to heal, I find I actually needed more ascorbate because the body was like waking up as I donated these electrons, as I gave it the source of energy. The body woke up, started to repair, and I actually needed more ascorbate. It's my favorite nutrient. I certainly have benefited a great deal from it during my life.